Let's start with next poem. Bubbles. Let's begin. Bubbles, bubbles here and there, blow up in the air. Blowing bubbles is such fun, blowing bubbles one by one. Do you know the meaning of bubbles? You blow the bubbles? Do you enjoy blowing the bubbles? Yes, cool. Bubbles are pani ke gubbare. You blow air into that and the film around is of water and soap. The film around the bubble is water and soap, and inside that it is air. These bubbles get free into air and they go everywhere, here and there. So bubbles go here and there. Blow up in the air means you blow the bubble and spread the bubbles in the air. Blowing bubbles is such a fun. Means there is very much enjoyment in blowing the bubbles. You enjoy this activity. So blowing bubbles is such a fun. Blowing bubbles one by one after another, you blow and you blow the bubbles. एक के बाद एक आप गुब्बारे फुलाते हो. One by one you blow the bubbles. So this was the poem about bubbles. You enjoy blowing bubbles. It is activity of full of fun. But I want to know which type of contents or which contents you add into water to get bubbles. So let me know into comment box which contents do you add into water to make bubbles and to blow the bubbles. We will see next poem. Hey children, we have done with this poem and exercise. We will be back with another video. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe our channel, like and share our videos. Team Ayansh looks forward to have you on board. See you soon. Take care.